Every summer, the town of Yarmouth on Cape Cod turns into an outdoor art gallery, with over 30 sand sculptures popping up in the most unexpected places. And this year, we set out to find as many as we could. From ice cream shops and golf courses to town halls and beaches, we tracked down 19 out of 32 sculptures on the 2025 Cape Cod Sand Sculpture Trail, and we're showing you the best of what we found. Let's hit the trail! The tradition began in 2010 as part of Yarmouth's broader efforts to boast local tourism and celebrate community pride through public art. The idea quickly gained traction, with local businesses enthusiastically sponsoring sculptures and residents eagerly awaiting each year's new designs. What started as a small collection of sculptures has grown into one of Cape Cod's most anticipated summer attractions. The sculptures are the work of Sean and Tracey Fitzpatrick of Fitzysnowman Sculpting, renowned sand artists who use special sculpting sand to create detailed, often humorous or fantastical figures, ranging from sea creatures and cartoon characters to intricate logos and town landmarks. Crafted between mid-May and June, the sculptures remain on view through mid-October, offering plenty of time for visitors and locals alike to explore the full trail. Think of it like an Easter egg hunt, but instead of eggs, you're finding giant sand sculptures hidden all over town. Or maybe it's more like playing Where's Waldo, except Waldo is a 6-foot-tall mermaid made entirely out of sand. As we made our way from sculpture to sculpture, what started as a casual afternoon turned into a full-blown mission. Some were right out in the open, easy finds. Others were tucked behind signs, down quiet side streets, or sitting proudly in front of places we've never even noticed before. And that's the kind of magic of this trail. It's not just about the art, it's about slowing down, exploring the town, and seeing Cape Cod in a way you wouldn't from a beach towel or the highway. Whether you spot 5 sculptures or all 32, you'll leave with sand in your shoes and a smile on your face. If you're heading to Yarmouth this summer, grab the map and try the Sand Sculpture Trail yourself. It's free, fun, and full of surprises. Thanks for coming along, and if you enjoy the adventure, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Cape Cod finds.